all, welcome back to Danalyser, and today I'm going to show you how you can apply a filter control to a specific chart only. So let's get started. So now you can see I have the exactly same charts at the left hand side and at the right hand side. So what I intend to do here is to make a comparison dashboard so that my users can compare the performance when their users is using desktop versus when their user is using other device categories such as mobile or tablet. But the same concept can be applied to other applications. For example, you can compare the performance of your content, for example your blog post, side by side using this method. And just for easy reference, I'm going to name the first group as group A and the second group as group B. Alright, so now to enable this to filter accordingly, we will have to group these charts together. So first step, we are going to select all the charts in group A together with the filter. So if you have more than one filter for your group A, you should select them all together. After that, you can use Command G, or you can right click and select group. Same for the device category B. You can also group them together using the shortcut key, Command G, or just right click and copy. So now, if I switch to view mode, when I select desktop, you can see this chart is being filtered, but the chart at the right hand side is left as it is. So if we want to compare different device side by side, you can just select, for example, mobile over here. So now you can see that there's kind of different trend for mobile and desktop, and you can analyze your data from there. You can also leave it as all so that you can compare a specific category versus the overall. So this control makes your dashboard more versatile, and you can make use of it for other applications as you wish. So this comparison tool is very easy to set up, and it's very powerful for the users to compare certain data, and right after they generate this report, they can also download the page as PDF very easily using these options in Data Studio. So that's all for today, and I hope this is useful for you, and see you next time. Bye bye.